Here's 5 things I wish I knew before I buy my BMW. First things first, you should always buy what you can afford. And by that, I don't mean if you can afford the car. So these cars right now are at a very good price. They may even be way cheaper than normal new cars. And it may be very appealing for you, like I know it is for me, to get one of these instead of a normal, reliable Japanese or any reliable car. But what you need to know that these are not cheap cars and they're definitely not cheap to maintain. So before you buy any second-hand BMW that you are looking for, make sure you do your research and know what you're buying into and know all the costs that come into it. There's a lot of forums out there that you can get basically all the info that you need, and make sure to do your research. Okay, I'm not an expert, but from what I have heard, that diesel engines have taller or bigger pistons. With those bigger pistons, it helps them have more torque. That's great, but there's just a little bit more engine vibration that you get when you're inside the car rather than the petrol variant. Just have a look at this.
Okay, bonus point.
This car actually does have turn signals. And when you press this,
Oh my God.
wow.
Look at that.
Everyone told me that there's no turn signals, but I guess everyone was wrong. So, because it's just here.
Wow.
So BMW has this thing called a life cycle impulse, or LCI for the short form. And you may have already heard it, but what does it really mean? Is basically a facelift that they do a bunch of minor visual and mechanical upgrades from the first generation of that car. And what I did get with that LCI is these beautiful, bright, amazing BMW adaptive LEDs, which I think look 10 times better than the pre-LCI version. I'm sure there's a bunch of engine upgrades that they have also done. This 6WB digital meter, which I think looks absolutely amazing. It's this newer generation iDrive system with the bigger screen and a bunch more minor upgrades that they have done to the visuals of the car. If you're looking to get a BMW, I highly suggest you go for the LCI variant. If you're not really into BMWs right now, there's a few things that you must know. First things first is that there are different types of trims that you can get directly from the factory. There is a luxury line, there's a sport line, and there's M Sport. If you're looking for the best and the sportiest version, you should definitely always go for the M Sport. That's not what I did with this car. I bought the Sport line, which is the cheaper version, but I spent a lot of money changing the body kit, changing the steering wheel, and all of that to the M Sport variant, which could have been prevented if I had just only bought the M Sport. You may think that, okay, I'll get the Sport line and I will do the M Sport conversion. That's okay if that's something you're into. But what you must also know, the original M Sports have more resale value at the end. You will not get your money back on your body kit and your steering wheel and everything that you retrofit yourself. But if you get the M Sport version from the beginning for more expensive, you will still be able to sell your car for a little bit more money when you want to resell it. Okay, so if you like this video so far, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's free. So there's a lot of good things that come from having a diesel car. More reliable, more efficient, blah, blah, blah. Something that I really wished I knew is that there are way less diesel pumps where I live than there is petrol pumps. It does give you an extra thing to think about when you want to go on long trips, or you do need to refuel the car more often so that you don't get too low. Because it had happened to me that a few times that I was running very low and I've had to go to like 5 gas stations until I found the one that has diesel and has the right nozzle that gets into the car. If you have a diesel, you can't put any pump that you want in it. There's a lock here that only specific pumps can open, so that you wouldn't accidentally pour petrol or the wrong fuel in it. It's a version.